The Eskiin Purifying Showerhead sold through Eskiin.com is marketed as a premium high-pressure showerhead with a 15-stage filtration system that supposedly removes chlorine, heavy metals, and improves skin and hair health. The website looks slick, but when you dive deeper, the truth is clear. This is yet another dropshipping item. A quick reverse Google image search shows the exact same showerhead being sold under multiple random brand names on Amazon. You buy here you can see from other websites with different brand names. So the product itself is a cheap Chinese import rebranded with luxury style marketing. Customer complaints often highlight exaggerated claims, flimsy build quality, and the need for frequent filter replacements. The exclusive branding is nothing more than a markup tactic designed to make a generic item look premium. So their store is functioning, but the purifying showerhead is just a rebranded dropship product sold at inflated prices.